All right, guys, so a while back, I actually figured out why, when it rained, my footwells were getting wet. Very common problem in not just the Adventras, but also in the Commodores. Whether or not it's before the VZ, I know many VZs have this problem. Some people blame the sunroof drains. Some people blame the drains down here getting clogged up and overflowing. But I actually found the problem. My car's been fixed for a year now. It's been dry as anything, and all I had to do was pull off this guard. So because this is full, this would fill out with water.
And leak into your car.
And leak into the car, I think. I think that's where the problem is.